I'm Lin Sun Hee, the Managing Director of Align Fasteners Manufacturing Senior Berhad. Our company specializes in fastener manufacturing like screws, bolts, rivets, and custom-made core foam parts. We are ISO 9001 accredited since the year 2009. We started the business in the year 2000. For the past 22 years, we established a wide range of molds, tools, and technical data to produce many kinds of fasteners to serve various industries like automotive, electrical and electronics, woodworking industry, and engineering. During the outbreak of COVID-19 in MCO period, we have difficulties in handling data process like monitoring customer order, payroll, even we are allowed to operate under immediate approval. When we started to implement our account system into cloud-based, our difficulties is the stability of internet network in different areas among our staff. Sometimes the internet line was down, slow during online meeting and data retrieved remotely. This digital solution helped our staff and the management to work from home remotely, and this helped us to conduct almost 90% of our daily work in administration. For this digital solution, we can steadily plan our job by cloud-based system. In case some staff are affected with COVID or other reason, they still can perform their work remotely. The management also able to retrieve data remotely during business meeting with customer side. We are manufacturer. Production is our core daily activities. These activities produce a lot of data like production output, quality control, and job progress. So we can store this data into cloud system. The importance of going into digitalization is we can easily retrieve data remotely, computing this data into valuable information, making right decisions, and for future plans. Ultimately, we cannot avoid digital advancement today, as it will result in less business opportunity for future development.